and welcome to your One Mindful Minute. Today we'll be connecting to our internal and external resources of joy, peace, and tenderness. Begin by finding a safe space where you can close your eyes or let your gaze soften. Begin to tap into your breathing, finding your slow inhale and exhale. Begin to notice what feels good for you about the breath. Can you find spaces of ease, tenderness, of pleasure through your inhale and exhale? Then begin to expand that circle of awareness, opening into the body. What sensations within the body do you notice right now that feel positive? These may be internal sensations or spaces, or this may be sensory information that's coming into you, the feeling of the air on your skin, a sweet sound in your environment. Or this may simply be a sensation of warmth, of ease. Expanding again that circle of awareness, let yourself call to mind some thought, memory, or emotion that feels really good to you right now. What feels safe, soothing, grounding. Notice how this thought, memory, or emotion ripples out into the body. Embrace those positive feelings. And then with your next breath, expand that circle of awareness even further, moving into your environment. What do you see around you right now, or what people are in your life that bring you joy? You can even use someone from your past that has shown you love, tenderness, affection. Think about those resources in your environment that nourish you. Notice how your body feels in this moment. Notice the breath. Notice how you feel. I hope you've enjoyed this one mindful moment.